All right, guys, I'm going to show you this little trick. We all try to get, these here. We're going to be putting these on the opposite side, down below, right about there. Everybody asks, how do you get these on? All right, you see these noodles? Get them from Home Depot. They're like $1 or so, or go to the dollar store. You wrap extension cords with them. Take a 3/4 inch PVC pipe. Push it down inside. So you have yourself like a hook. Gonna pull this out, right? You're gonna go ahead and push this in. So now we can stick it down into the tank just like this, all right? Let me show you how easy it is. Now you notice this one here is a lot easier to put in. Now we're gonna put one over here that's facing this way. So we bend this like this. Try to find the hole. Boom, right in. See that? Perfect. Right in there. See, now here it is here. We give this little tug, pull it out. Tighten this baby up. We're good. See, we have one here and one here, and that feeds the pressure washers over here. That's a real easy way to put these bungs in, put these in with that stick. And then when you're done, just give it a little push. Grab your stick and that's it. All right, guys, hope this tip helps you. Keep on spraying.